Good morning students, welcome to Priya Math channel. Today we are going to discuss some more problems. Chapter 6 progressions. Already we have discussed arithmetic progression, general term, some of the terms and the last term and the first term they give formulas. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal. Next Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You know the L and first term, last term and the first term, Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus L. These three formulas we discussed today. 2 marks, 1 marks, 4 marks is over in arithmetic progression. Now we are going to discuss the geometric progression. Geometric progressions denoted GP, geometric progression. So, general form of GP. GP means geometrical progression. General form A, AR square, AR cube, so on. Here A is the first term and R is the common ratio. How you will get the common ratio means R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to A3 by A2, so on, AN by AN minus 1. This is the R formula. For example, you have to take 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. This is the geometric progression. How can you say you have to multiply the first term? This is 2. You have to multiply with 2, you will get 4. You have to multiply with 4, with 2, you get 8. 8, you have to multiply with 2, 16. So these are called the geometric progression. You have to multiply with the constant term, 2 or 3 or etc. You will get this type. So general form means A, AR, AR square, AR cube, so on. You have to multiply with which one? R. You have to multiply the first term R, you get AR. Again you have to multiply the AR with R, you get R square. AR square you have to multiply with R cube. So R is the common ratio. R is the common ratio. In the arithmetic progression, we had said difference, common difference. Here common ratio. This is the common ratio. So we are going to discuss some more problems. First problem, find the common ratio. Find the common ratio of the GP. What is the problem? 25, minus 5, 1, minus 1 by 5, so on. This is the given geometric progression. Already he said. What he need? He find the common ratio. Common ratio. This is the one more question from geometric progression. So A1, A2, A3, so on in the geometric progression. The condition R is equal to, already explained, R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. So these conditions are satisfied. This is the geometric progression. Already he said. So A2 is equal to how much? Minus 5 by 25. That is equal to 1 by minus 5. 5 will be cancelled 5 times. Minus 1 by 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5. R is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 5. That's one. Next one, write GP. If A is equal to 256, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. A is equal to 256, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you have to take this one first. You have to read again, write GP. If A is equal to 256, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. Again you have to write A is equal to 256, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then you have to write the general form. The difference between general form and the nth term. So you have to use the general form. What is the general form? A, AR square, AR cube, so on. So A means how much? 256. A means 256 of minus 1 by 2. And again 256 of minus 1 by 2 whole square, so on. So here 256, will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 8 twos are 16. Minus of plus minus 128. Again 2 will be cancelled. Sorry, here minus 1 by 2 whole square means you have to do it. Minus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. 4 will cancel. 6 fours are 24, 4 6 are 4 fours are 16. So 64. So on. So this is the geometric progression. Okay students, find x so that x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 3 are consecutive terms of geometric progression. This geometric progression is x kanukomannadu. So you have to write the x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 6. So these three are the geometric progression, consecutive terms already said. What is the condition? X plus 2 by x is equal to x plus 6 by x plus 2. Cross multiplication, x plus 2 of x plus 2 equal to x of x plus 6. X plus 2 into x plus 2, x plus 2 whole square is equal to x of x plus 6. You have to resolve it. It is the a plus b whole square. A square means x square plus b square means 2 square and 4 plus 2ab. 2x into 2, 4x is equal to x of x, x square plus 6x. So both sides the same value cancel. 4x you have to take this side. 4x is, 4 is equal to 6x minus 4x. 4 is equal to 6x minus 4x means 2x. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. So the ratio x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 6. What is the value of x? 2. 2 comma 2 plus 2 comma 2 plus 6. 2 comma 4 comma 8. So this is the series. Look here. So three problems is our fourth problem. Which term of the GP 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 comma 128? 128 అనేది ఏ టర్మ్ అవుతుంది అని అడిగాడు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఫస్ట్ 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 comma so on is which term? 128. So here an is equal to 128. You have to observe. Next a is equal to 2 and r is equal to a2 by a1. Already he said this is a GP. That's why you have to write one time. A2 means 2 root 2 by 2. 2 to cancel. Remaining value 2 root 2. Root 2 write 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Right students? Okay, r is equal to 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Generally an is equal to formula a into r to the power of n minus 1. Then students an means how much? 128. That is equal to a means where I wrote here 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power n minus 1. 2 take right left side becomes division. 128 by 2 is equal 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled 64. The 64 you have to write prime factorization method. Already learned the real numbers in already in 9th class also. 32, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 again 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 to 32, 64. Then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 64 you have to write 2 to the power 6. That is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2. Both sides are the bases are equal, powers will be equal. That is equal to 6 is equal to n minus 1 by 2. Take cross multiplication. 16 to 2 is equal to n minus 1. 6 2s are 12 is equal to n minus 1. Take the minus 1 left side becomes plus 1. That is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 13. Which term is goes to 128 in the GP? The 13th term goes to 128. This is the same model. Which term of GP? Root 3 comma 3 comma 3 root 3 so on 728. Same this model you have to practice it. Next again 6th problem. Find the 12th term of a GP whose eighth term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. So you have to read the one or two times the problem. The first is you find 12th term, find 12th term. So for example, a 12th is equal to question mark. Then which term he gave? Eighth term. So then you have to write the a8 is equal to how much he gave? 192. 192 and r is equal to 2. So then you have to write the an is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. A into r to the power n minus 1. What is the a8? A8 is equal to a into r to the power of 8 minus 1. Again I am right. A into r to the power of 7. What is the a8? 192. So 192 is equal to a means you don't know, you find a. A into r means how much? 2 to the power 7. Then you have to write the 192 is the 5 factorization method. Already you did 2, 82, 9 2s are 18, 6 2 again, 4 2s are 6, 8 2s 2, 24 again 12. 2 again 6 again 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 122 write 2 into 3 into 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is equal to a into 2 to the power 7. Then you have to write a is equal to 3 into 2 to the power of 6 by 2 to the power 7. A is equal to 3 into 2 to the power of 6 by 2 to the power 6 into 2. 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power 6 cancel. 3 by 2. A is equal to how much? 3 by 2. Then you find A12. I am writing here. An is equal to A into r to the power of n minus 1. You need A12. That is equal to A means 3 by 2 into r means 2. 2 to the power 12 minus 1. Again 3 by 2 into 2 to the power 11. Again 3 by 2 into 2 to the power of 10 into 2, you have to write this one. So 2 to cancel, that is equal to 3 into 2 to the power 10. This is the 12th term. Okay students, I finished this sum. This problem you have to practice the same model. Okay student, you have to practice some more problems. Next class we will discuss the 8 marks question. These are 1, 2, 4 marks I discussed in arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Everyone who to subscribe it, I request you. ఎందుకంటే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తే 10th క్లాస్లో ఉన్న అన్ని చాప్టర్స్ మీకు మీ మొబైల్కి వస్తాయి కనుక ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. మీరందరూ కూడా సమ్స్ని లైక్ చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తాను. గుడ్ లక్.